Good day. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to export an image in SketchUp, save it, and then open it in TurboCAD. Good. Start by selecting the image, go to File, Export, 2D Graphic, and a default directory will open. I'm just going to save it here as house 1. As you can see, I have one already. I'm going to export to there, overwrite the existing one, say yes, and go OK. Minimize or close SketchUp now. Open TurboCAD, go to the open file, and here in the directory you will see I have that house 1 file. Please make sure that it is a DWG file that is selected. By default, TurboCAD opens the TCW file and you will not see the file you've exported in the directory. Therefore, go to the drop down and make sure that the DWG file format has been activated. Good. Now if you search for the file, you will see that you can see the DWG format. Select the file and open it. There we go. There is your image from SketchUp. Please take note that the exact viewpoint that you used in SketchUp will be the viewpoint that you will open in TurboCAD. Thank you very much.